How to change Apple ID email on iPhone. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top, tap on your name to open the Apple ID menu. On the Apple ID page, tap on Sign In and Security. Tap on Apple ID to manage the email for your account. Now, tap on Existing email address. Tap on the email field, enter the new email address, then tap on Next. Confirm the prompt to continue updating your Apple ID. If prompted, enter your device passcode to proceed. On the verification screen, enter the code sent to the new email to verify. Wait while the change is applied and the page refreshes. The new email now shows as your Apple ID on the account page. You can close settings when finished. Following these steps, you can easily change Apple ID email on iPhone.